Hey folks, plenty warm across the valley today. Temperatures still 92 in Rio Grande City, while it's 88 in McAllen. Cooling off a little bit, and as we get closer to sunset, these readings will all fall. It's 81 at Port Isabel right now, 87 at this hour in Brownsville. Our lows tonight, about 70 or so in the west, upper 60s in the east. That's going to feel warm after the nights in the 50s earlier this week. Those days are gone for at least a few days. I think by the time we get to maybe Monday, Tuesday, we'll see some cool weather again, relatively speaking. Take a look at tomorrow's highs, back up to 90 plus in most of the valley. The exceptions, Brownsville at about 87, South Padre tomorrow at about 83 degrees. Normally this time of year, our 30-year average is 87. We're going to be above that, 91, 91, 91. Shouldn't reach the records, but certainly above average for this time of year. Now, satellite doesn't show a whole lot going on today. We've seen some clouds come in. If you watch, look out here. You see clouds going this way and you see clouds going that way. See the two layers? The low-level clouds, the ones close to the ground, are the ones that are coming in off the Gulf, and there's some streaking very high clouds going from southwest to northeast. Those are those thin cirrus clouds. So if you go out and look up, you see the clouds moving a couple of different directions today. That not all that unusual, but kind of well shown there. Here's future track. It says that patchy clouds linger through the overnight hours and during the daytime tomorrow. Very humid tomorrow, partly sunny skies with, again, patchy clouds around the region. Go forward to Saturday, same kind of thing, patchy clouds around. I think it's a dry day across the area, but to the north of us there could be some showers. We're going to be right on the edge. You see it show stuff up in Kennedy County, but nothing over the valley, and I think that's probably going to be the case. But if you get a sprinkle, consider yourself lucky. Now, Sunday, things begin to change. We're still warm, we're still humid. This model ends at noon, but by middle of the afternoon, we're going to be watching the front coming down from the north. That front could trigger some showers, perhaps even a thunderstorm, about a 30% probability of that, and then drier air moves in for next week. So our rain chances are pretty much gone for tomorrow and Saturday, but Sunday, we're bumping it up to 30% with that front. Rest of Texas, 70s and 80s, 76 in Dalhart right now, 78 in Abilene, 82 right now in Austin and in San Antonio. Let's watch for the front. The more humid air continues to build in with the southeasterly wind. Most of the rain stays north of us. Our best chance again comes when the front itself pushes through sometime late Sunday. Behind it, the drier air builds in, lower humidity comes in, and that should last us for most of next week. There's a secondary front behind that one that'll kind of reinforce that shot of cool air. So tonight, partly cloudy, not as cool as the last few nights, a low of about 69. Then tomorrow back to 91, partly cloudy skies. It'll be a warmer day, southeast winds at about 8 to 16. Here we go, the next 7 days. We've got temperatures in the 90s through the weekend, then we drop it down to the 80s. Not a big drop in temperatures, but you notice the nighttime lows go down. That's an indication the humidity is going down. It'll be much more comfortable early next week than even what it is right now. It'll feel more like it did earlier this week. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.